Previously.
Alright, so possibly doing some sketchy shit right now.
Taking the ACURA out, but Christian came through and took it out.
Day 2.
What is good, y'all? So we are now starting to take things apart on this. As you can see, just do the headlights. In the process of the bash bar, I'm gonna have to write down and document everything that's damaged, everything that I'm gonna need to replace, and well, just in case, you know, we gotta make sure we know everything. A lot of people have parts for us, which I'm super grateful for, but also have to just kind of clear the space and really see how all the metal's looking and see if anything really is like too shifted, especially like the engine area or the bash bar, the subframe, things that are important for the, you know, aligning of everything. So hopefully nothing's like too shifted. We'll see. Right now I was just doing that, so let me just set y'all up somewhere. So really, this kind of stuff took a bit of the impact from there. Probably had to drill that out so we could do the spot welding of that area. Yeah, so this is stuff that we have to drill out. This is just the process of just tearing down and kind of getting everything out of my way, prepping to take the engine out and all that. I'm also have to buy a new engine stand for this engine. That'll be fun. Yep, yep. Oh, that's still connected. AC line ripped out, so your boy's gonna need some new AC hard lines, or at least that one, this one. But yeah, I want to show you guys how the innovative motor mount, it just ripped off from right there. Held on. That's for damn sure. It's kind of hard to tell if the subframe is like shifted at all or anything, which everything, you know, is gonna be shifted that way because that's broken, those trans mounts are broken, that top one's broken. It's gonna look weird, but I don't think that like the subframe is like too bad or like, you know, took any like weird unalignment issues. So I'm like curious if like this portion is stretched or lifted up, but you know, I think we would see some sort of like cracking or like the weld split or something like that. Well, yeah, you can see a little bit at the motor mount bracket right here is kind of like lifted just a little bit, but like it doesn't seem that bad. Seems like everything probably should come off and go back on pretty smoothly. So I mean, gotta be optimistic and hope for that. Well, it's good, y'all. Picked up this engine stand. Forgot the GoPro, so if you're on the phone real quick, made a little bit of a purchase right now. Had to get another engine stand because, as you know, we're gonna be pulling the motor out the black TSX. I got this body puller kit, hydraulic and whatnot. It's $60 off, so 100 buckaroos. So originally it was $160. I seen it, I was like, damn, dude, it's like a sign. Because I had a little bit of frame damage in the front where the bash bar is, so it might be a little bit harder banging it out. So this might be a bit better. We need to get another one of these. I had it in the past, I ended up returning it because it wasn't really working for what I needed. But that's to get the spot welds with the radiator support, because, you know, you could drill it out, but some areas I've seen people need, you know, the belt sander to really get in them areas. So we'll see. Kind of buying everything that I need at the moment, or feel like I might need. The worst thing is you start something up and then, you know, you have to run out because the small shit you don't have or whatever.
All right, guys.
Got the hoist out, had it tucked away in the room and stuff. We have one room in the house that's just like storage room for all the car parts and extra shit. So we got a little bit extra done last night. I got the engine harness, a couple things off and whatnot. Just kind of tinkered here and there, and I couldn't do too much until, you know, I had things kind of set up and kind of ready for me. Set up this engine stand, end up setting that up, but down over there because there's no other way I'm gonna be able to get it over there. Yeah, bought a couple things. That hydraulic body repair, I don't know if I necessarily need it. It may be useful to help straighten this out and, like, you know, get that going a little bit better than like a hammer. But yeah, enough talking. I just wanted to show you guys. So we're out here vibing. Got the engine stand set up. Nasty ass gummy. Ow, my head. Yeah, got the hoist set up too. We're about to take off the hood because it's super annoying, you know, having it propped up and just all up in my way. Start taking off more shit underneath, suspension, yada yada, and try to pull this out.
Hell yeah.
As you guys could tell, I think it's nighttime. And now we have this hoist set up. We're in pretty good standing to be able to pull this thing out. We have something more of this thing out of our way. All I really have to do is get in the back, get the one motor mount bolt out, and over here. This side is like stripped because all this is like, it was all kind of bent this way, so it's kind of hard to get this bolt in, but I forced it through because had to make it do. Sure, there's probably a different mounting point you guys use, but that's just what I can usually go with. But it being all crooked and stuff with the bracket below, it kind of messed up, but it is what it is. I got to try to get that bolt out, put some tension on this, get that bolt out, and then I'll just get these two out. That should be all free, and then we'll maneuver this whole majigger out. All right, so it's just doing progress updates because I'm not going to show you guys, you know, too much because we've done this plenty of times, and I've been working real slow on and off, you know, because hurting, so can't work too fast. This should be the last bolt to the puzzle to be able to pull it out. A little bit of extra challenge removing it, you know, things are going to be a little bit in the way, and you know, having to pull and shit, but nothing to it but to do it. For some reason I don't know how to get that thing out, and like plastic is crunching because things are brittle. I need to replace a lot of sensors or pigtails on this harness, especially in the front now, because a lot of things crushed or got ripped off. But yeah, a lot of things are just brittle and broken, and things that I didn't touch on the side of the head right here. There's like 4 or 5 different plugs, and all the things are just fucked. I should be able to pull it out.
Let's try.
I need to be able to clear this.
There you go. Okay.
A little bit of like this. We'll drop this and I'll get back to y'all.
Good. She's out.
Look at that, easy as
She's
that.
out.
Easy as that. Things on there are good. Y'all see it. Ow! Bro, I literally pinched my finger inside the tripod holder thing and leg. Oh, motherfucker, because I like grabbed it and I squeezed it. Shut the fuck up, pussy. Shut the fuck up. We did it, y'all. We got it out. It's 10 o'clock. I mean, it is Saturday, but you know, the main focus was pull this thing out. Probably get some tape just to get that covered. Fucking valve cover got punctured through. That's nice. So hopefully there's nothing in there. You just cracked it, so nothing should really be in there. All right, so I'll see y'all.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.